Hello and welcome to this course entitled 5 Online Businesses to Start in 2020 and Beyond. Now let's dive into the actual information and see which these 5 online businesses are. First one, creating and selling Alexa skills. Now everybody knows that Alexa has become very popular, especially in the United States, but not only there. And one of the things that have started to generate income for a lot of online entrepreneurs is creating and selling Alexa skills. Many people go and buy from the Amazon marketplace different types of skills for Alexa. You can also do this as a personalized service for restaurants, for different apps, for different online businesses. You can also go into marketing through Alexa skills and many other things like that. But creating and selling Alexa skills can be a very lucrative business, and there are already a lot of people who are doing this for money. Now, the second type of business that we are going to discuss about is create and sell videos and video ads for businesses. As you already know, more than 70% of all online traffic comes from video. So basically using videos, if you are a business who wants to have a strong presence online, is crucial in actually getting results. So creating and selling videos to different types of businesses, and especially video ads, because these are very used for YouTube and Facebook and other distribution channels, can be again very lucrative, and a lot of people are doing this successfully. Another way of creating an online business in 2020, and I think this is something that will work for many years from now on, and you can compare it a little bit with real estate in the physical world, it's flipping domains and sites. Again, the online presence and using the internet as let's say as a business business ecosystem itself has basically transformed domains and sites into actually virtual real estates. So flipping domains and sites can be again a very lucrative type of business. Then we have the fourth one, which is creating and selling online courses. Again, this one it's becoming more and more popular every single year, and it will actually grow from year and year because more people have access to this type of courses, more people want to learn new things and realize that the internet is a very good solution to go to do that. And the fifth one is to start a membership site. A lot of people want to be part of different communities and to learn more in different niches, and one of the best ways to create let's say a recurring type of income and business online is to create a membership site. And why is that? Because it gives you stability. If you have expertise in a domain, if you have a community in a domain or a specific niche, this can be a very good business model for you. Now, in the following videos, we are going to discuss each of these businesses, and we will go into more details about how to actually start each of them. Thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next. Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on 5 online business models that you can start in 2020 and beyond. Now, the first business model that we have talked about is creating and selling Alexa skills. Now, for those of you who don't know what Alexa skills are, basically are commands or sound apps, if you want to call them like that, for the Alexa device or the Echo device from Amazon. Now, basically, if you have this type of device in your house, now I'm talking to you from the position of a potential user. So let's say you have this device in your house, you will want to have this Alexa skills or these apps on your device in order to have access to different types of apps or information. For example, you can have an app, and I will show you a couple of examples of skills. Okay, with your favorite radio, favorite, let's say top 10 favorite radio stations for rock music or something like that. Okay, and the idea is that these Alexa skills, how do they work? You just open the Alexa skill and you give Alexa some commands. You give the Echo device some commands like Alexa, please open this radio station, or Alexa, please tell me the horoscope of the day, or Alexa, please take me to I don't know, Times newspaper, or read the news for me, or something like that. You give the device a command, and basically it will do that command for you. So this is how the skills are. You can ask different types of commands, extra commands to the device, and there are a lot of people who are buying this type of skills because of course it makes life easier for them, or it's of a specific interest for them, or the app itself, it's a connected the skill itself, it's a connected to an app which they actually use. Okay, and let me show you some examples. What you can do is go on amazon.com/Alexa skills, and if you are going to scroll down here, you are going to see that there are a lot of apps, and some of them have a lot of let's say a lot of reviews, which means they have a lot of users, right? And there are multiple ways of making money out of these apps. Either you have a pro version and you actually charge people for them, so you actually charge people for the skill itself, or you give them away for free and you can make money otherwise, like making advertising through the Alexa skills or other types of income like that. For example, you have this Alexa open rain sounds, which is something that people use to sleep better, right? Or for example, Alexa inspire me. And if you are going to have a look at this skill, basically what it's going to do, you can see the commands here in the description, right? So if you have this device, you just have to say to the device, you know, Alexa inspire me, and then it will actually list speakers, and you will choose a speaker, ask for a speaker, okay, and basically it will start automatically the let's say the speech of that speaker for you, okay, so that you have a very motivated and inspired day. So this is how it works. It's pretty simple, nothing complicated at all, right? Now the more complicated part or so a lot of people think it is to create the actual skill. Now where do you create the skills and actually publish them in the Amazon marketplace, like you have seen these ones here, because that's where you have to go in order to start to make money out of this, is the Alexa developer console. Okay, so this is the place where you want to go, developer.amazon.com. You will create an account here, then you will select Alexa/console, and then you will be able to create the skill itself. Okay, and you will see that you have the option here to create the skill, and basically I will show you in the next lecture how exactly you are going to create these skills. But first of all, these are the first steps that you need to do. Okay, you have seen how the skills look like. You have to create an account here on developer.amazon.com, and then in the next lecture we are going to discuss how actually you create the skill itself. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on 5 business models that you can start in 2020 and beyond. Now, in the previous lectures, we have talked about Alexa skills and the fact that creating and selling Alexa skills, it's a very lucrative business models for many online entrepreneurs and marketers. And we have shown you some examples of what types of Alexa skills you can find in the Amazon marketplace. And now the next thing that you have to do is create an account on Amazon, and then go here at this link that you see on the screen right now. Okay, https developer.amazon.com/Alexa/console. Okay, here you have basically the place where you will create your Alexa skills, and you can monitor your earnings, payments, hostings, and so on. Right now, the next question is this, and a lot of you will actually have this question. How do you create these Alexa skills? Okay, obviously it's a good business model, you can do it, but how do you create them? Well, the answer is simple. You can either create them yourself, which is actually not very hard to learn, but you can also outsource them, which for a lot of people would probably be a better idea, because the investment, it's not very big into creating an Alexa skills, but the return can actually be very, very nice. Plus, you have the chance to be that your skill can be created by a professional. Now, where can you find people that can create these skills for you? You can simply go on Fiverr and just look for Alexa skills on Fiverr. and you will see that you have plenty of results here. Okay, I will make awesome Amazon Alexa skills, 42 euros, that's around $50. I will create conversational script for Alexa and Google Home. Okay, Google Actions, it's the, let's say, competitor of Amazon Alexa. $25. I will build an Alexa skill, $25, again another one. Obviously, depending on the price, you will have the complexity of the skill and so on. So basically, a skill which will be more complex will require more financial investment, okay, a bigger financial investment from you, that's obvious. But you just go ahead on Fiverr, check around, you have 163 results. You can definitely find someone that can create the skill for you. I actually found a couple of people here, so don't worry, you can do this for as cheap as $20 if you want to, or $40 a skill, and you can start by that, and then you can scale, you can see how it goes and so on. Obviously, for Alexa skills, as for any other type of thing that you sell into a marketplace, it's either a product, service, skill, or anything like that, it's important to get initial reviews, okay, for your Alexa skills. And how do you do that? Well, you just ask for people to give you reviews for the skills, and maybe it would be a very good idea in the beginning to monetize them differently, so to give these skills for free and just get reviews from people, and to monetize them differently, like by running ads through them or something like that, okay, or just give them for free and also create a pro version of the app. Okay, so this is a way to monetize it better. Now, thank you very much for watching. I hope this was useful for you, and we are looking forward to see you in the next. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course, 5 online business models to start in 2020 and beyond. Now, in the previous lecture, we have talked about how to create and sell Alexa skills, which is a very lucrative business model. And right now we are going to talk about how to create video ads and to sell them to different businesses, which is also a very lucrative business model because a lot of businesses are promoting their offers, their services, and their brand online. So they will need video ads for distribution channels and marketing channels like Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and so on. Now, first things first, what I want to show you is how many people are actually selling and charging for this type of video ads on Fiverr. Video ads creation. This is only one of the places, and I'm showing this as an example all the time because it's the most accessible where you can go and sell your services. So video ads creation. So this is one of the places where you can find clients for these video ads. Okay, so Fiverr. And if we have a look here, I will do professional editing and creation. Well, this one is more of a joke, right? The price. But if you will have a look here, there are prices starting at $40, $60, $40 again, okay, and so on. $10, and this type of ad, don't think that it's too hard to create, okay? These people are just using some templates, and for some of them it might take like 10 minutes, okay, or 15 minutes to create this ad, and they take like $10 for 15 minutes, okay, of work. So it's not such a big deal, and that's why it's they are selling it very, very cheap. Because if you calculate, okay, let's say they make this type of ads per hour, that means $40 per hour. In a day, it's 40 or 8 hours, or let's say 6 hours of work, right? It's $180. That's a lot of money, okay? I mean, it's a decent amount if you do that every day. So that's why I'm saying this is a business model that you can start, and you can even start to sell on Fiverr. Now, if you want to sell with higher prices, or to do custom type of ads, or find let's say more premium clients, you can go on freelancer.com, okay, and sign up as a freelancer which creates video ads. And here, for different type of custom ads, but obviously more complex, that you will do for companies and businesses, you can charge much more money, like I don't know, 200, 300, 400, even more money than that, okay? So these are the places where you can go and sell this type of video ads and find clients. It's pretty easy to start selling on Fiverr. For example, you just have to create an account, you sign up with with either your Facebook account, or you create an account from scratch, and you will be in buyer mode normally, but you can see here at the top of your screen that you have selling, and you can go to switch to selling. And for example, in this case, I have one active order, right? It's actually a little bit delayed, but it will be delivered. And when you go into selling mode, the first thing that you need to do will be to complete your profile, and then you will have the option to create gigs. Okay, you go in gigs, in the gigs option, and you can see here a couple of my gigs, and you will have to start to create new gigs. Okay, and basically you create a new gig and you start to in a new gig you will actually sell these video ads. You create a new gig and basically you can entitle it, okay, custom video ads for your business, or something like that, like the other people which we have seen earlier on in the marketplace have done. You can get inspiration from them. Okay, now in the next lecture I will show you exactly how you can create this type of ads for free, what platforms can you use, and also if you want to make a small investment, you can start to create more professional ones with paid version of the apps that I'm going to show you. Thank you for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture and video from this course, 5 online business models that you can start in 2020 and beyond. Now in this lecture we are going to talk about a couple of platforms that you can use to start to create this type of video ads for free, but obviously you can go for the pro version or the paid version, which you can use to create more complex ads and with more elements and let's say with more templates, which will make your work easier, and it will allow you to create more professional type of ads for your clients. Now first things first, one of the places where you can go, or one of the platforms that you can use, it's called invideo.io, and it also has a free version. Okay, this is the place where you want to go, invideo.io, create video ads, online video editor. Okay, start my free video. You can see that they have free video options as well. They have a subscription plan, and we are checking that out right now. Professional, okay, which is let me see, $6, build $48 annually. Okay, 30 videos per month, no in video watermark videos. Okay, they give you all the options here. It's a very good price. And then the business one, which is $180, 60 videos per month, again very good price, access to everything. Basically you have unlimited, right? And if you switch to monthly, you can see monthly, I think. Okay, let's see the features. You can start your free videos. Your first free videos are on us. Okay, you can see here. So you can create the videos for free. This is how you can start. Now let me show you. Okay, let me log in. So let me show you how this works. It's not hard at all. It's actually pretty easy to use. And bear with me for a couple of seconds till it loads. Okay, so here's the workflow. You have many type of video options with InVideo, so you can create different types of options, but what you want to do is go here. I want to explore pre-made templates. Okay, we will click on this one, and here in the pre-made templates you will see that you will have different types of options, and ads is one of these options. Okay, so if we look in the left side menu here, and if we scroll down, you can see that we have different niches and categories, right? Let's say that you are going to work with an online shop. You can start to create video ads from here. Okay, which is pretty cool, right? So you have different templates, and you can start using these templates, and you can sell these ads to different businesses, different online shops. Okay, which is, you can just contact these people with these online shops and you can start selling these ads to them. Okay, very simple. Now the other place where you can go, or the other platform where you can go and create this type of video ads, but more adapted for social media, so they are more like animation, is canva.com, which is again a free platform. You might have heard about it. Let me just scroll down a little bit, or let me just go in the home area. You can log in with your Facebook account, Google account, or just create an account from scratch with your email. And if you are going to go in the dashboard, in the main dashboard after you log in, this is what you are going to see. And one of the first things you will see, this create a design, is animated social media, right? And if we click on the animated social media option, it will open the editor for us, and you will see that we have different types of animated social medias. Now, obviously, these are more for companies which want to build a brand awareness on social media. So these are not ads in particular, but you can also sell this, okay? And you can sell them for very, very good prices. Now, if I'm going to scroll down, you will see that you have different options. Again, also Canva is the free version, and you have plenty of options in the free version, but also comes in the pro version or paid version, where you have access to more templates and more things like that, elements and so on. But this is more than enough to get started. And if you look in the left side menu, you have different types of elements that you can include, okay, in these templates. For example, let's check out this one, right? You can have different videos that you can add to your animations. You can just scroll down and have a look at them, okay? Now, these are two of the platforms that you can use to start to create your videos and sell them. Obviously, another option for you to do this is just outsource the videos again on Fiverr, right? So you will buy, let me switch to buying. You'll buy the video ad from someone, and then you will sell it to someone else for a higher price. So this is one of the things that a lot of people are doing, okay? It's kind of an arbitrage. So let's say that you are outsourcing your videos on Fiverr, and you find your clients for those videos on Freelancer, and you sell them for a higher price, and you are actually doing an arbitrage if you don't want to create the ads yourself. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on 5 business models that you can start in 2020 and beyond. Now, the next business model that we want to show you is how to flip domains, which is a very lucrative business model for a lot of online entrepreneurs. Basically, what you are going to do is buy domain names and sell them for a higher value. And there are a couple of ways of approaching these business models, but one of the easiest is going on flippa.com, which is the #1 platform, as they say on their website, to buy and sell online businesses. And basically what you can do is buy domain names from different places like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or other platforms, and then you just list them here on Flippa and sell them, okay, for a higher value. Now, the best type of domains that you can sell here, because those are the ones which have the highest value, are expired domains which already have a ranking or a possibility for people to use them right away. Right, and some of these places where you can find this type of expired domains, so basically these are domains which people bought. Maybe they had a website on them, maybe they have a very good name which attracts organic traffic, and then people can basically use them to promote their services, to use them for affiliate marketing or other places like that, so they have a higher value. But because they have expired, you can buy them at $10, $15, $20, and then you can sell them even for $200, $300, or even more, right? So first things first, what we want to do is go on Google and search for expired domains. And you have a couple of platforms where you can find this type of expired domains. One of them is Domcap, another one is expireddomains.net, and there are a couple of other ones as well. Now, the idea is that you have a free version for this platform, obviously, or you can have a look and find a couple of domains, but you also have paid version, which is much better because you find, let's say, a more vast list of expired domains that you can buy and then sell, okay? For example, on domcap.com, you can go and click on the buy expired domains now, just to show you an example, and you will see here buy old expired domains with awesome backlinks and great metrics. Now, this type of metrics are like filters, and they actually weight a lot in the decision of buying a domain name. Why? Because if these metrics are good, that means that the site itself can attract a lot of traffic, and people who are actually buying this type of domains, and then the people to whom you will resell them are interested in traffic. Okay, that's why you buy a certain type of domain, because it has a great brand name or it can generate a lot of traffic for you, and most of the time is the traffic part, right? Everybody's interested in traffic, especially if you have a business or you want to make money online. So here we have a couple of domains listed that we have access to. Okay, and we can just have a look at them. For example, we have seastravel.com, right? We have a lot of metrics here, like age 18, so it was registered 18 years ago. This is a very old domain, right? Page rank 4, okay? Price $500. It's not a bad price for this type, okay, of domain name. And you can just have a look at all of the domains here. Merchant Digital, okay, this is a good domain name as well. And you just find good domains here which also have good metrics, and then you buy them and then you resell them on Flippa. Now let's go back to Flippa. Okay, and on Flippa, basically what you want to do is click on the start selling option. Okay, and you will create an account. Starter template websites. Okay, domains. You have domains that are undeveloped or parked. Okay, and you will start to sell here. Now let me show you an example. Let's go on the main page again. Editor's choice. Okay, and let's see, what are we looking for? Domains. We click on domains. Okay, search. And let's see what type of domains are people selling here and what type of bids we have. Warning signs. Okay, for example, this is a very good domain name, warningsigns.net. There are two people who want to buy it, and the current price is $6. Okay, time left 26 days. So people they are making like auctions for domains here, right? And you can buy it at a fixed price right now if you have the money, and there will be clients who will buy this type of domains if they are very interested in them at $2,000. It's a little bit of a high price in my opinion, but there might be a warning signs production company that would want this type of domain and can give this type of money on it. Okay, and you just have to scroll down. Most relevant, let's say ending soon. Let's search for the ones which are ending soon. Capgig.com, $1. Oh, PassNet, app design. Okay, current price. Okay, there's a lot of money for some of them. Anyway, you got the idea, right? So you got the idea how to go buy domain names and then where to list them. You just go on Flippa and list the domain names here. Okay, again, it's very simple. You just click on the start selling button, you create your account, and then you will be able to create your domain name type of let's say ad here. And this is how it looks like. So let's just check one so you can see how it looks like. Okay, you'll fill in all of these details. Okay, very simple. You'll fill in the details of the domain, then you just promote it on Flippa and you start selling it. Thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course entitled 5 business models that you can start in 2020 and beyond. Now, the next thing that we are going to talk about, or the next business model, is creating and selling online courses. Now, needless to say, because right now you are into an online course, this is a huge niche and it's growing year after year after year, more and more. Why? Because it's much more accessible for people from all around the world to get on a laptop, on a computer, or anything like that, and to learn a new skill from the comfort of their own home, or to learn mathematics, or to learn absolutely anything. So even the old school system for kids can actually be translated into the online version, and it actually has a great effect in countries where maybe it's harder for people to get from one place to the other, or other obstacles like that. So this info products and also online courses niche is growing every year, and the fastest way for you to enter in this niche, if you have a specialty, if you have an expertise in something, if you want to start maybe as a publishing house, because you can do that as well. Basically what a publishing house is, you are going to be the guy or the gal, obviously, that gets people who already have expertise to create the courses, and you publish the courses for them, okay? And you share the revenue with them. So if you have no skills yourself to create the courses, okay, in a specific niche, you can be this person, okay, who does the marketing side, who promotes the courses and so on. But the main idea is this. For you to get started very fast in the online courses niche, okay, you will use a marketplace. Like people are selling on Amazon, you will use a different marketplace for courses. Now the largest marketplace for you to do this is udemy.com, okay? And udemy.com, I think, has already over 20 million students from all around the world right now. So this is a huge marketplace, okay? You will definitely make money here. You will basically build a passive income source. That's what's great about this business model, because once you create the courses, they will sell again and again and again. So you do the work once, but you earn forever. This is the main benefit. And Udemy has over 20 million students, I think, at the moment. You can check it out. Maybe you already have heard about it. The whole idea is that you can create an account here, okay, and then you can start to create your own courses. And after you create your account, you will see that you have here a small sign which says instructor. You go there and you start to create your courses. Now, I just want to show you a couple of the categories in which you can create courses on Udemy. If you are going to look in the left side, you have categories, and you are going to see that you have development. So just to give you an insight about how many opportunities you have here, okay? Development, business, finance and accounting, IT and software, office productivity, personal development, design, marketing, lifestyle, photography, health and fitness, music. So we have a lot of options, right, on Udemy. Now, this is one of the platforms, only one of them. And you can look at the courses here. For example, this guy has for his course 14,000 reviews. Okay, that's amazing. I mean, this course is selling like hotcakes. It's amazing, right? Now, another platform that you can check out and you can sell your courses is Skillshare.com. Okay, again, it's a big platform. I think they have over 2 million students at the moment. They work on a membership system, so you don't buy each course separately. You have a membership and you can access premium courses. They also have free courses. At the moment, they have over 26,000 classes. Okay, and these guys are paying you for minutes watched from a course. Okay, so if somebody has a premium membership and joins your course, basically they will calculate how many minutes out of your course that person has seen, and they will pay you in accordance to that. Okay, and you can see that there are a couple of great trending courses here, and this one is more centered on learning an actual skill. Okay, that's why it's called Skillshare. And people who are designers, people who are photographs, people who do web design and other things like that, basically they can create courses which are very popular here. Okay, again, it's easy to create a course and publish it here. You just have to get started for free and then become an instructor. Okay, not a big deal. Then another place where you can go, it's stackskills.com and publish your courses. Basically, these guys are selling all kinds of stuff. They have a platform which is called Stack Commerce, and on Stack Skills, basically you can publish online courses. Okay, bear with me for a couple of seconds because it's loading a little bit harder, but it will load eventually. And the menu usually looks a little bit different, you will see. Anyway, they have the option for you to become an instructor, as you have seen. So you can become an instructor, you can contact them. And after you become an instructor, you can start publishing your courses, and your courses will be included in different types of bundles and other things like that. Okay. So this is basically how Stack Skills work. Don't worry, the site is not working at the moment, but they actually sell the courses. They have a big database of clients. So this is also a big opportunity. You just have to go and become an instructor. on the website, and then they will contact you, or you can send them an email or something like that to start publishing your courses, and some of them will be included in their bundles. Okay, now enough about Stack Skills. Okay, these were the free platforms that I wanted to share with you guys. Creating and selling online courses can definitely be a very rewarding business, and also very profitable one. In the next lecture, we are going to discuss a little bit about how you can start to create these courses. Again, thank you for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course. In the previous lecture, we have talked about the possibility of creating and selling online courses through online courses marketplaces. Now, what you can do in terms of starting this online business and this online courses business, okay, to start creating your first courses, basically what you can do is in the beginning use screen recording, and like I'm doing right now, and basically recording maybe PowerPoints or just showing people like I'm doing right now where they have to go, what they have to click, what they have to do. Okay, and maybe if you are in a different niche like personal development and you have to teach people public speaking and other things like that, okay, you can use a webcam or your phone and create talking head videos. Okay, now one of the softwares that you can use to create screen recordings and basically to use PowerPoint and other things like that is Camtasia. It's actually not an expensive tool, and you also have a trial period, so you can just go ahead and buy it and test it out. Okay, you can download the free trial, so you can download the free trial and test it, and if it works okay, you just go ahead with it. Okay, it allows you to edit your videos, it allows you to add effects, it allows you to add sounds to them, it allows you to cut them, it allows you to convert them in a different video format. It allows you to create screen recorder and record your microphone like I'm doing right now. So you have a lot of options. This is the app that we are recommending you to use. Also, if you are more advanced with video editing, you can go for Adobe Premiere, which is obviously more advanced, and they basically Adobe has all their suite like Photoshop, Premiere, Lightroom, and so on. All of their apps, they have them in a cloud version. So basically you can access them in a cloud version, and you just pay every month and you have access at all of them. But again, Adobe Premiere is for more advanced and skilled people. So we recommend you Adobe Premiere if you are going into this let's say into this category of people who are more advanced with video editing. If not, Camtasia, it's more than enough for you. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next and final lecture from this course entitled 5 business models that you can start in 2020 and beyond. Now, in this lecture, we are going to talk about membership sites, which are actually very popular, and they are the type of online business that can actually generate a recurring income for you. So after you do the work once, you will still maybe have to do some work afterwards to provide content to your users and to your subscribers, but it will be less marketing work. So once you do the marketing work once, then you only have to take care of your customer database and provide them a good quality service or product or whatever you are giving to them. So membership sites can be a very powerful business model because they have this recurring component in them. So you will not need new clients all the time. You'll just have to take care of the ones which you already have, which is actually a great thing. Now, how you can create a membership site, and I'm just going to give you a couple of examples of membership sites. One of them is this one, WordPressPremiumVault.com. You can see that basically this is a membership site which gives access to people to 150 premium WordPress themes. Obviously, they have some upsells and other things like that, a recurring component as well. And what these people used to create this website, to create this membership website is WordPress. You know the platform WordPress. You can install it from your cPanel. So first of all, you will have to buy a domain name and hosting, and you can do that from Namecheap. Let me just show you namecheap.com. So you can buy a domain name and hosting from Namecheap. It will cost you maybe $10 per month or less. The domain will cost you $10 and then hosting $3 per month or something like that. So it's very cheap. That's why it's called Namecheap. And then on your new website, you will install the WordPress platform, which you will find in your hosting. You will see there in your cPanel, and you can install it. It's very easy to install, completely for free. And basically, to transform your WordPress website into a membership, you will use S2Member. Now, S2Member is a very powerful tool to use, and it's actually, as you can see right here, it has different versions. Okay, you have like the free version, the framework, and this is great to start with if you only want to use PayPal. Okay, to run to process payments on your membership site. So you also have a free version, and you also have the Pro version, which allows you to access some more advanced features, and it's $89 and it's only one time. Okay, and it has updates and everything like that. But we recommend you to start with the free version, because if you only start with PayPal, and that's more than enough, right? So S2Member, and you install it on your WordPress website, and you can transform it into a membership site. Okay, so the users will have access to different types of content on your website based on restrictions and levels and so on. Okay, and this is how you can create your membership site, and you will create something that looks like this. And if people want to log in, they will have to go and log in to something which looks like this. And let me just copy this and open it in a new window so you can see exactly how it looks like, the login area, I mean. Okay, and this is how it looks like. Okay, you can customize your logo, and people will just log in, and they will have access to different things inside different pages. You set them on what pages to have access and so on. So this is how you can create a membership site. Now, I wanted to show you that there are a couple of membership sites out there that are making over 6 figures in recurring income every year, and one of them is Orchids Made Easy. Okay, this is an article which we found and wanted to share with you, so you can see that membership sites are actually a very powerful and lucrative business model. Game changers. Okay, basically this is for business coaching, is the business coaching niche. This is like the gardening niche. Okay, people learn about orchids and stuff like that, and they only pay $5 per month. Okay, Lady Boss Weight Loss. Okay, for a weight loss membership site. Magnetic Memory. So basically this is a membership site for probably personal development and how to become, let's say, more smart and stuff like that. So you have access to a lot of niches. Okay, membership sites work very well in a lot of niches, but in our opinion, especially personal development, weight loss, okay, maybe nutrition and stuff like that. Okay, but also in online marketing, internet marketing, business coaching, psychology, and basically you can approach every type of niche with membership sites. So this is what we wanted to share with you. Membership sites, again, are very powerful. Now, the important part will be how you do marketing for them. You will probably have to market them either through affiliates, okay, to contact people who have communities and give them a commission for each user that they bring in, or you will have to run ads through Facebook or maybe Google, or video ads through YouTube, or approach the solo ads angle. So basically, ask people who have big email lists, okay, to email their list for you, and you will pay them for that. So you'll get users from them. So you have a couple of marketing options. You can also approach platforms like Stack Commerce or other marketplaces where people do all sorts of deals, okay, to promote different apps or memberships or things like that. Or you can even maybe create a Kickstart. If your membership site is something very innovative, you can even create a crowdfunding project for it. Okay, so that's a possibility as well. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we hope that these 5 business models that you have seen in this course will be of use for you and that you will choose the one which you think is the best fit for you. Again, thank you for watching. And welcome to our final lecture from this course, 5 online businesses to start in 2020 and beyond. Now, in this lecture, we are going to have some conclusions for what we have seen as business models in this course and what we think you should focus on or put your attention in when you are starting these businesses or choosing one of them or working on them. So let's see. First of all, we think you should start the business that is the best for you. What does that mean? We think that you should start the business in which you have maybe some sort of experience or skill to begin with. Why? Because it will be much more easier for you to make a transition maybe from your job or what are you doing right now into your actual business. Then the next thing is to try to form a database of loyal customers. You don't want a business where you will have to run for clients month after month after month. Finally, you will want a business where you have a database of customers that you can serve again and again and again, and you can nurture these customers and so on. Obviously, in any business, you will need to have this component of bringing new clients all the time, but this should become let's say less of a priority over time, and the priority should be to focus on the clients that you have, to get more value from them and for them to be more happy with your services, products, or whatever you are offering them. Focus on trends and new. So when you begin these businesses, try to see what's trending in this type of business model and what is new as innovation. For example, if you want to start the business with creating and selling video ads to businesses or to other companies interested in that, maybe you should see what is trending in terms of software for creating video ads right now, which are the platforms that people use to advertise with video or things like that. Okay, try to focus on that because that's how you are going to attract new clients and stay on top of the competition all the time. And the last thing, try to start with a business which will fit your desired lifestyle. Now, depending on the reasons that you have for starting a business, you may want to choose one of the models which will fit your desired lifestyle the best. Maybe you want to travel around the world, maybe you want to have more times for your hobbies or for your family. In accordance to that, try to start one of the businesses in which you have these two components. Okay, one, to be complementary with what you already know, so it's not hard for you to start, and second, to fit your lifestyle as well. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are hoping to see you in other courses as